Please don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button, then click the bell and then click all. Every like and subscribe helps us make more great videos for you. So it looks like finally the 2nd gen Fire TV sticks are going to get the update on their interface, just like the 4K Fire Sticks did a little while ago. Now the rollout apparently has started already. Not everyone will get this at exactly the same time. Amazon are going to roll it out slowly to individual sticks. There's no confirmation of when and where you're likely to get the update, but obviously you can go and check for updates manually if you want to on the Fire Stick, and I'll tell you how to do that in a sec. I must stress though, the 1st gen Fire Sticks, the one without the Alexa voice remote control, are not going to get this update. So if you've got a 1st generation Fire TV stick, then unfortunately you'll be stuck on the same interface. There are no plans, as far as we know, to upgrade the interface on that. This will be the last Fire Stick to get the new interface update. So you might be thinking, well, how do I know that I've got a 2nd gen Fire Stick? Well, generally it has the Alexa voice remote control, and if you have a look carefully on the back of the actual stick itself, and it's very difficult to see, you might need a magnifying glass and a light to see it, you should have the model number L for Lima, Y for Yankee, 73 P for Papa, R for Romeo. That's LY73PR printed on the back. It was released in October 2016. Other ways you can check is including the metal HDMI connector. It's actually 95.3mm long, that's 3.75 inches, and it has the Amazon text logo on it, just like the one in the photo on screen now. So as I say, if you want to check to see whether your stick is ready for the update, all you do is grab your remote control, press and hold the picture of the house until the time comes up in big on the screen, then let go, and then go across to settings, press the middle button, and then go across until you find My Fire TV. Press the middle button, then go to About and press the middle button, and then go down to Check for Updates and press the middle button. It will check for updates, and if there are any updates available, it will download them, and it may install them automatically, or else it may give you the option to install them manually by pressing the middle button again on your remote control. As I say, your stick might not be ready for the update just yet. It could take several months to get this update out to everybody, so please be patient, and you'll get the update if you've got a 2nd generation Fire TV stick, hopefully within the next few months. Hope this guide helps, and thank you very much for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech, that's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.